Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville 980XL, and first I thought we'd talk about. So as you can see, this machine has been leaking on the inside, and it was difficult to replace some of the fittings as the fittings were stuck inside the machine. So I had to drill, for example, I had to drill this one out, this fitting here, I had to drill out. And then as I was trying to get this fitting, that one down in there, the top part broke off. So far it's holding up and seems to be fine, but I am concerned about the long-term ability of it to hold up. But there was nothing I could do about it. It was just completely stuck, and as I was prying it out of there, it broke off. And you can see how I cut a hole on the top there so that I could access it. But the machine is working well, so you see that we steam and make hot water. And we don't have any leaks. That's really good.